this is how we jive mass communication. Yeah, again with another video. In this video, I'm going to show you different type of video card or graphics card for your computer. We have three different type of video card. This is the normal common type of video card. You can see they are normally small in size. You can see the port here, PCI port. This is Sapphire. You can see here model number HD5670 GDDR5. So normally these are the most basic. You can have from 1 giga to 4 giga in this size. And you see the ports how they are. Normally all of them could have more or less similar type of ports. So here you have the old port. This we don't use anymore, DVI port. Then you have HDMI, most common HDMI port here. Then you have VGA port, so we don't use anymore. These are so, but most of the video card they come with this type of port. This is the most common and basic type of video card. It has one cooler, so it's quite bigger. This type of video card they could have cooler very small as well. So this is the most basic type of video card. The second type of video card could be this size. As you can see, this is bigger than the other one. This is GeForce 800 GT. Could be from different brand, but normally from Nvidia. This is FXX Nvidia GeForce 880 GT Alpha DOG edition, dog edition. So opposite to God edition, whatever. You see the port here, the same PCI port. Other side you can see has a lot of parts. Is a powerful video card. Obviously you can say that. You have a cooler, only one. It's smaller than the last one, but it's still very powerful video card. In this we have two DVI port. You can connect two DVI port, and we don't have any HDMI port in this one. You have some port another that we don't use anymore. This I think. So two DVI port, no HDMI in this case. So, but the power cases they could be 1 giga to 4 giga or 6 giga, depend on the version you're buying. Now we'll go to the final version, the most of the expensive high-end video card. They could be this size. You see they are massive. Normally they come with double cooler. You can see here this is Sapphire, the same as other one, and yes, dual X in this case. Model number here R7320 2G GDDR PCI B, something as this. So double cooler, very powerful. So most of the important high-end video cards or graphics card there is this. So you have two different type of DVI port here. DVI with the 5 pin. This is DVI with only 1 pin. You have HDMI, and also you have DP port. I think some of the monitor you can connect, if I'm not wrong, Apple computer, Apple monitor, you can connect with this port. Thunderbolt, if I'm not wrong, but I'm not sure. But you see here, so double cooler, very powerful video card. Back end you can see that. So lovely. If you want to assemble a computer, depend on the cabinet, you have to buy the video card. This could be from 4 giga to 8 giga, normally this type of video card. So this is a 3 size of video card we can have in our computer. Okay guys, if you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel. If you like this segment, please give me a thumbs up. Take care till then, bye.